you can also just make connections. It doesn't have to be only emergencies. As I say, God willing, you will never ever need to use radio for an emergency. So, but how great to know you have radio comms. But let's say, so you've gone to that frequency, your national calling frequency, you've pressed PTT, you've said, is the frequency in use? Nobody's come back. Nobody's having a bad emergency, so you're not interrupting. Nobody's having a conversation. So you're going to throw out your call sign. Hey, radio check. Somebody comes back. Yeah, you're 5'9" into, Torrance or Hollywood or where I live. And I might want to say, do you want to go and have a chat about radio? I have some antenna questions. And to do that, the general etiquette is you relocate yourself off of the national calling frequency. So no longer are you on that 146.520 in the United States, or as people have kindly shared, the UK and Slovenia national calling frequencies. Every country is going to have one. You've made your connection, or in ham terms they say QSO, and you're going to relocate. And the Q code for that, hams have Q codes to save time. You're going to say, do you want a QSY? And QSY means change frequency. Don't worry, if you don't know it, you just say, do you want to go to another frequency? And they might go, yeah, I have the time, I have 5 minutes. I'll see you on 5/8. And what that means is you're then going to go to
14658.
So it's the same 146, but instead of 520, you're going to go to 580. I've heard lots of people call that the adventure frequency because they use it when they're hiking, because you're not going to interfere with, the national calling frequency.